Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSID and password so you don't interrupt the flow. Once confirmed, make sure the router broadcasts on 2, 4 or 5 GHz and is within range. Now power on your Roku TV and navigate to Settings, then Network. Select Setup Connection and choose Wireless. This first action triggers the TV to scan available networks. If your network doesn't appear, make sure SSID broadcast isn't hidden and move the router closer before continuing. Once your SSID appears, select it and enter the Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard or the Roku mobile app for faster typing. Make sure capitalization and special characters match. An incorrect character will block access. After submitting, the TV requests an IP from the router. This takes a few seconds. Check the on-screen connection status and signal strength indicator. If the signal is weak, reposition the router or remove interference, and then retry the connection process for a stable link. After the TV reports connected, go to Settings, Network, and select Check Connection to confirm internet access. This verifies DNS and gateway reachability. If you see connected but no internet, restart both the router and Roku. Power cycling often resolves temporary conflicts. If problems persist, try a wired Ethernet connection to rule out Wi-Fi issues. Ensure the Roku firmware is current, and as a last resort, reset network settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: test another device on the same network to isolate whether the issue is router or Roku.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.